Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. For now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so at the point they asked Arsene Wenger after we don't play our match because he was one of the pundits for BN Sports. So they ask him what you think about this Aaron Ramsdale and David Raya rotation. So back when they explain, say rotating two top goalkeepers, it doesn't work. You can say no believe in rotation. Say most times and see they did very good to get clarity on the hierarchy of goalkeepers. Who be number one, who be number two, so that everything will be clear. Say for your own experience, so you always did the sitting, so say this method no they really work. But Arteta, on the other hand, feels say he need to have two top goalkeepers because the two goalkeepers get different profile. For that reason, he feels say he did needed. At least he sort to go to the first goalkeeper call, he'll get something to fall back on. Because Arteta now won't compete on all competition. So whoever they keep Champions League, they keep league. The person who they keep cup self need to be main keeper. You get so now the way Arteta they say about. It is what it is. When that time don't they different from Arteta time, everybody get the way they take approach the own coaching style. So that's why it be Arteta feel like him, then Wenger said feel no like him. So it is what it is. Alright, so away from that, so I know how many of you watched the yesterday match for boxing, Fury versus Francis Ngannou. Again. So that one don't overshadow most of the talking points of football for the social media space. So they're talking about robbery, so they rob Ngannou. I don't know how many of you watched the match. Me, I don't watch out because no you watch out, but yeah, now let's now online. I mean, I just go sleep. So, but I watched the highlights. Ngannou knock Fury, knock him down. But at the end of the day, they give Tyson Fury the fight. I don't know how many of you watch out, but that one I just aside. So I just say match it that one inside. So let's proceed. Alright, so Arsenal they send scouts to go watch the Benfica versus Real Sociedad Champions League match. Surprisingly, so can you say Arsenal they monitor Takefusa Kubo and this Martin Zubimendi because they're interested in Zubimendi. We all know that. So they try to bring a replacement for Thomas Partey for the defensive midfield, and so many people don't talk so many good things about Martin Zubimendi. So that one said then Takefusa Kubo now another winger who they look so won't bring in to compete with Bukayo Saka. Make that our right wing they very solid again because that one said the guy they play for La Liga, they play very well, very rapid, very fast. Again. So I like the way the guys have they play. So and they monitor them, they send scouts, we will just watch. Now January we will see what they saw. Whether we will put our money where our mouth is, I will won't leave them for the summer. But me, I will talk to me then sign somebody for that January because it will be very important. Because nobody knows where the title race will be by January. So very key. Away from that, also, as long as I can show support for Aaron Ramsdale, say if it be Ramsdale, say no go give up. You get say he really like the guy they play, but he no go even give up because you know what's in the talk. Just like praise the guy, shot, let the guy know say anything inside. And said that when they ask Wenger whether Ramsdale they better than Raya, Ramsdale, they ask Wenger whether Ramsdale they better than Raya. So Wenger come to say say no fit talk, say no nobody. Only thing we know be say they brought Raya because of his distribution. They feel his distribution is better than Ramsdale, but last season if you say Ramsdale made a lot of decisive saves. So now the way Wenger take analyze his own, say on who is better, say no really know who they better. For you to know say the two of them they in close proximity when it comes to their capabilities. So now only little pockets of edges here and there. Now Raya take pass Ramsdale because like when they talk, they brought Raya because of his distribution because when they explain something, also say as a goalkeeper, say as a coach, say like him now when in the coach, so you're gonna look say how do I improve this area? How do I improve this area? So you get some places where you say, okay, I want to improve our centre back. You're going to bring a centre back based on a particular attribute with that centre back gets. But at the end of the day, you can't say the centre back they're good going forward, but defensively he's failing in his duties. Look, I give you a prime example. Zinchenko, when it comes to going forward, fantastic player as a fullback, doing the inverted fullback role, fantastic. But his primary role as a defender, they do him well. I would say one guy they talk. So now we're talking about Raya. So make I use the same logic where one guy they use. Raya now was brought for his distribution. He's doing fantastically well, but they panic. They show fear. in high intensity matches. So these are different areas where Raya self need to improve. Ramsey, on the other hand, he needs to improve with his distribution. So the way when I talk, take explainer. So it is what it is. That one, your own opinion. So you either agree with him or you disagree with him. Alright, at the same time, Wenger, because they asked Wenger plenty questions based on saying be pundits now for BN Sports when Arsenal they play this Sheffield United. So Wenger was really proud of Arteta, like the way the guy enter Arsenal, can transform Arsenal, the way when they run Arsenal, and especially how he spends money wisely in purchasing Declan Rice. When coming to Arsenal, can transform the team. No. So Arteta now, he didn't get footballing brain, like he praise him, At the same time, for the post-match conference, so they call the interview Arteta, they ask him, say, see what Wenger talk about you, what do you feel? Arteta can talk, say, if not for Wenger, say, if nobody for Arsenal, because now Wenger buy him, bring her come here, he can do under Wenger. I see they play, they look at Wenger, the coach, they learn one or two. After he finish here, go under Pep, learn one or two. You get before you go merge everything together with all the managers when on the under merger, what are the own ideas, don't become the manager that he is today. So he also pay attributes to the things where Wenger said do for him. Alright, at the same time, they're going to ask Nketiah, I guess, about the penalty. Say, how far? Say, whether if you want to play the penalty, because they're noticing how Fabian play the PK. You know, say, Nketiah can say, he already scored 3 goals, so you don't go there fair now. Make it go, say, if you want to score penalty, make it be 4 goals in one match. At least make it be history, now maybe you record after all. Now, the first hat-trick in the score for EPL. So you can say, well, as Fabio say, after make a plan. So you can say, I know you want to make plans. So after all, I don't score 3 goals. Can't give Fabio say, player can't score, everybody they happy. So it is what it is. And this second dedicates the hat-trick and the goals when score to the family, you know, it come for the stadium, come watch. I like just they very happy with the way they can play yesterday. Alright, for the captain hierarchy for Arsenal, I get what I noticed yesterday, I know that one I observed. After the common Saka carry captain and give Nketiah. So what it means now is say the captain of Arsenal is Odegaard, then the first vice captain is Gabriel Jesus, the second vice captain is Bukayo Saka, then the third vice captain is Nketiah in the pecking order of hierarchy. So now the way they set up. So maybe next season, if you add Declan Rice there, if you add any other person, because the way I see this in Arteta change and choose them, or maybe they use how many years don't stay for club. I don't know what will be the criteria. But for Odegaard, I know the no votes for Odegaard own. Arteta say, see the person who want to make him be captain. Because for Odegaard own, there was no votes. So that's what it just be. Alright, you know, say for the match where Newcastle play against Wolves for the Molyneux Stadium, I mean, you always talk, say, Moko sign Pedro Neto, Mo sign Pedro Neto. The Pedro Neto don't get injury. So I know just know the guy very rapid and fast. Maybe that's why they really get injury. See the way they run yesterday, all of a sudden, they just hold the hamstring, say, just fall down by himself. Nobody touch him. Just for that, they got stretch him out, no even work out. The muscle spasm was so much. Don't carry him out. Well, this is what it is. I believe saying now what make Arsenal not really reason inside in the past because of all these injuries here and there. So maybe now, this is why we say on the scout Takefusa Kubo. Maybe last now Kubo then go buy, because Kubo I think he has a buy because of about £60 million or thereabout. So if they don't get the money, they just go buy the guy. Maybe that go be our own Mitoma. Well, who knows? We just watch as things don't fall. About Team Sherwood, come aside, I talk say Nketiah is an upgrade on Manchester United's Rasmus Højlund. That one not play like 6 matches. He never scored Shingbai for the EPL income. Since when they buy him from Atalanta, they Nketiah not score like 5 goals now in 10 games. So it is what it is. So Buffalo to say if to say now Nketiah then buy go Manchester United, he will fit in very well with the likes of Rashford and other people who did the Anthony there. So he will score very well. All the last time Anthony scored a goal, people don't mention all these things. But if now start playing now, they go be sorry. They will just kind of for it, call the jam talk everywhere. But look, when was the last time Anthony scored? When was the last time Rashford scored? Nobody they mention. No public outcry. No outrage. So it is what it is. So I like the fact say Nketiah they trust him for Arsenal. Like putting Arteta they talk yesterday, say Nketiah has gotten 8 starts this season. For you to know how trustworthy in the club they see him. And people call me ask why you see now when the Jesus they go injured, now Nketiah they beat. Well, I don't know. That's what it just be. And we all know see Nketiah loves to score at the Emirates Stadium. So our prayers that make him replicate this form moving forward, because now if say the Jesus don't get injury, it is either we use Nketiah or we use Kai Havertz. So Nketiah now the person will also be very prolific. Like if he see chances in the he like to score, but I know just know this time around because I seen the record in the past. how many games, how many goals in the Emirates Stadium? But this time around, they take him a while. Apart from this hat-trick when they just score, it took him a while. Goalless, no score anything. But now you say you don't score 3, and they say this 3 now will push him, will spur him on. So the next team, anybody will they meet again, whether now West Ham for the cup, will knock them blue and black. Alright, Dean Jones also come and talk say Arsenal will soon start to think of how they will replace Thomas Partey, because all these injuries when they get, they help matters. Thank God for Declan Rice. I keep still saying it. All these injuries to Thomas Partey on paper is 30, but we cannot talk anything. So I don't know. I'm going to just reach January. I'm going to see whether Arsenal will do something about this Thomas Partey issue. But it sure me die say for this summer, Partey no go follow us entire 2024-2025 season. It sure me back unless Arsenal no one upgrade, unless they don't know what they do, because this injury sadly na so it go. So we must look for a way. Just sometimes I dey close my eye like this, so they imagine say we no get Declan Rice. Imagine say Declan Rice no dey. Now only Thomas Partey will they get. How for them to survive? Jojo and Elneny. Now for them to survive for the midfield. Alright, even Sports Bowl come and say Arteta no go actually allow Ramsdale to leave, even though many people don't advise and say, Baba make you leave, if you want to go Euro, make you leave. So Arteta no go let him leave. If you want to leave, go na summer, no be January. You can't leave us high and dry in January. Come on. Which top goalkeeper won't come sign for January? So we're going to use Calhen and Raya. No, it can't work. You can't leave. Even for the summer, I'm not sure for him, because me I feel say that loyalty dey there any day, anytime. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll get out.